You know, when it comes down to buying a keyboard for like 20 bucks, you don't really expect it to have that many features. However, I bought it for 20 bucks because it's $10 off right now if you click the coupon with the link down in the description below. Normally, it is $33.99. This is probably one of the smallest keyboards that I have ever gotten my hands on. This does come with a USB-C. The keyboard also has an application that you can install on your computer to completely customize the keys. Most of the basic settings on this keyboard are already there and offer what I would end up using. There's a couple of really cool ones. There's some flows, but really for the most part, this is what I would like to use. It's just the green, blue, purple, red. I just like that. I think that this is cool looking. However, there is an option for people to use an application on your computer. So pretty much what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to read this Amazon listing and I'm going to tell you whether or not what the listing says is true, accurate. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you whether or not I would recommend this keyboard to you. And the listing states the following: mechanical gaming keyboard, UHURU UMK-100 wired 60%, 68 keys mechanical keyboard with a palm rest, blue switches, 19 RGB backlights, full keys for anti-ghosting, pro driver supported. So there's 19 RGB modes. Again, there is an application that you can install on your computer in order to, you know, customize the keys the way that you want them. However, the 19 modes on this keyboard, like literally 15 of them, are going to be something that you never touch or use. However, there are 4 modes that I think personally are very cool. It definitely feels and sounds like a mechanical keyboard. You can, of course, swap out the switches on this keyboard. However, it is limited. The sound is going to depend on what you like, but here's a quick example. Hopefully this doesn't stop recording on my computer. Hopefully you heard that. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my eMarth keyboard as another example. Whoa, what did I just do? So what happens when you do a live review? Hopefully you guys got the little sound sample there and I didn't mess anything up in the actual recording and it just ended up closing Google. So yeah, man, this is a keyboard that I think is great for people that are on a lower end budget. This one right here is why I will never buy another keyboard over $100. The key right here is not broken. I literally took that off myself because that is the button to change the lights on the keyboard, and my wrist kept hitting that light switch. So I took that key off so that it stays the color that I want it to be. There's no application for that keyboard. I've been using this keyboard for 2 years with no issues whatsoever. You know how much that cost me? 30 bucks. You know how much this cost? $33, but there is a $10 coupon that you can, you know, clip with the link down in the description below. Overall, I recommend that thing. I think it's a cool little keyboard, extremely small, a little bit smaller than my liking as a creator that, you know, has hotkeys for their video editing program. However, for gaming, I can definitely see this being very, very cool. The link to this keyboard will be down in the description below. But yeah, that's going to bring us to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to leave a like if you did, subscribe if you haven't already. Check out one of these videos that are on screen, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.